Hello Aquarius, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver some soul vibrational messages. Today I'll be using tarot and pendulum to check on your general energetic system called chakras, also known as auras or energy points in your body. So with that said, I'm going to begin with tarot. I have meditated and shuffled, focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. But I'm going to give it one more set of shuffles. Okay, Aquarius, Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and the Hanged Man. During my meditation, I was really focusing on your mind, body, and spirit, Aquarius. And so this coming out here, it's giving me a lot of mostly feminine energies. And I'm speaking solely the energies, which would be softness. There's a softness to it. There's a nurturing and compassionate, creative, receptive flow. But all that, how can I say it? Like, regardless of you feeling powerful or in some shape or form, like very intuitive into what you're doing and very much devoted into your creating and bringing in the option, which would also be feminine energy. I do see here that you are using your energy and you are being very much in your physical body. This is just saying, like, by the Hangman being present, being a major arcana, which is like a bigger energy, right? That said, it's like ripples effects on your passing moments. It is saying that there's a sense of having to find equilibrium through your own concept of reality, of spirituality, of intuition, and self-sacrifice is implied here. So understanding that you are the queen of your own universe. There is a concept of something like taking on too much, or the Queen of Pentacles speaks of that. She is a working parent. He or she is a working parent in your reality. You don't have to be feminine, but I'm just saying. She's highly intelligent woman. She's generous. She's secure. And very much like free of material care. Now, the Queen of Wands is also a very, very honorable woman. She's loving, she's loyal, and she's very much spiritually inclined, very intuitive as well. So in order to have, like, there's something surrounding you, Aquarius, that there's going to be an enlightenment about something, and it has to do with the energetic traits or energy. So think of the feminine energy and what you need to bring in more into your life. I spoke about creativity, more compassion, more fluidity, nurturing of within yourself and in others, more vulnerability, more openness in your energy and in your body, your material needs, and your finances. I hope that this makes sense. I see a lot of yellow. I see a lot of energy trying to come in or here for you, Aquarius, for you to just really give light to. Yeah, because it comes with an enlightenment at the end of the day. So right now you're putting in the work. You're very much in charge. You're very much feeling in a supportive state. But if you are feeling like it is like a big responsibility on your back, Aquarius, just know that it's, again, take a pause, look at the bigger picture, and hopefully you will realize that it's all for your greatest good and for the good of all, which is beautiful. Moving on, I will be checking on your chakras, your energy points. See where you need to give a little bit more light to yourself, more love, more balance for yourself, Aquarius. Okay, so your solar plexus. Yes, okay. This is crazy, but I did mention seeing a lot of yellow, right? So your solar plexus is that particular color. So in order to tap in a lot more into that, or bring a lot more energy into your energy, wear color yellow, eat a lot of yellow veggies and fruits, and but really focus on your self-esteem, on your confidence, on your responsibility and reliability, on your personal power, on your vitality. How are you using it? On your will, your sense of humor. Bring in that laughter, laugh more, don't take everything too serious. And your spontaneity, and your shame. So I hope that this message, Aquarius, resonates, that it helps you bring in balance into your life. Again, give yourself more energy, allow those energies to come in, choices, the nurturing, again, more of the possibly feminine, whether you are masculine or feminine, and your biological state, I guess. Know that your energetic field is asking you to give more light or more energy to the feminine energy within yourself. So again, Aquarius, thank you so much for being here. Remember that this is a general energy reading, and again, I send you the best of vibes. I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you. Ciao.